Good morning, day 28 of 75 hard. I'm still sitting in my truck enjoying my heated seat because the weather right now is fucking crazy. It was 88 yesterday afternoon, and now it's like 40 something and drizzly. And anyway, today is Super Bowl Sunday, so if you're watching this in the future, just know that that's when this was filmed, Super Bowl Sunday. And in my opinion, it's the first major thing of the year to trip people up. So with 75 hard, eating right, drinking the water, no alcohol, no shitty food, this is the first major test for a lot of people. Because even if you don't like football, even if you have no idea who's playing, people love going to Super Bowl parties. People love having people over. It's a fun time. It's something to break up the monotony. I get it. You know, I've done that before plenty of times for sure. And I love football. But it's the first real test for a lot of people to be around a bunch of people drinking alcohol, to be around a bunch of people eating shitty food in excess, and people going, oh, come on, it's just one bite, or it's just one drink, or you're no fun, or, you know, loosen up, or haven't you been doing that long enough? No, motherfucker, I haven't. It's 75 days. It's not 28 days. It's not 37 days. It's 75 hard. And if you commit to it, you commit to it, and you do it. So my message to you today is, don't give a fuck what other people think. I see these posts all the time, like, what do I do in social settings when I'm not drinking and other people are? Don't drink. Just don't. Just fucking tell them, hey, I'm not drinking. That's it. You don't owe anybody an explanation for anything that you do. Period. So have fun. And if you need to keep yourself away from those situations, do it. Just stay away. But keep making good choices. Keep trudging ahead. Because you'll never regret the good choices that you make. Y'all have a great day. See you later. Day 28 is a wrap. All the things are done. The trash is taken out. The dishes are clean. All the tasks are complete. Easy peasy. Super Bowl Sunday. Stayed home. Cooked food like we always do. Did the thing. It's just that simple. 4 weeks down. I can't even math right now in my head, so I have no idea how many days are left. But everything's feeling good. Just gotta keep doing the thing. That's really all there is to it. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.